Automation Direct NitroPal or Pneumatic Automation Link is a highly versatile and scalable remote I/O and pneumatic system integrated via Ethernet IP. When using Automation Direct's NitroPal system via Ethernet IP, you'll need to configure your new or changed system for use. First, follow this link or scan this QR code to get all of the software and documentation for your system. Once you have your NitroPal system assembled, there are just a few steps to get everything ready to go. Remove the small cover on the PAL Ethernet IP module. First, hold this button while applying power until the LEDs flash. As you can see, it's a quick flash. Now the Ethernet IP module has read all the attached modules and is ready for software configuration. If you're using a static IP address, make sure both rotary switches are set to 0, then launch the EIP configuration software. If the PAL does not show up in the list, make sure the correct Ethernet adapter is selected here. Now you can set the IP address. Now that this initial config is complete, launch the NitroPal configuration software. On the Controller tab, set the target IP address that you assigned in the EIP tool. We recommend the default settings for the other parameters on this tab for most applications. Please see the help file for more info on these items. On the Signal tab, add your I/O modules, then determine how you want them to operate. You can set them up for sync or source, you can set analog signal ranges, and many other options. All the options are explained in detail in the help file and the PAL user manual. On the Solenoid Config tab, you can configure your solenoid modules and also how they operate. This last tab gives you the Ethernet IP mapping reference that you'll need to set up your PLC. Now simply click here to write the configuration to the PAL and you're done. Your system is now ready to use. Automation Direct is providing the products and support you need to make us your common sense way to buy industrial controls. Please see this playlist for other content for the NitroPal system, including PLC integration videos. We have a vast library of other videos. Please click here to view all product videos. Click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming products and solutions.